Vocabulary. Library. Pronunciation. Lie. Lib. Liber. Air. Library. Library. Library, the place. She's at the library. Remember, she is together. She's at the library. Person. Librarian. Pronunciation. Lib. Liber. Air. Library. Library. Libraria. Librarian. She is a librarian. Person, profession, at the library. Action. She's reading a book. Pronunciation. Read. Ready. Reading. She's reading a book. Pronunciation. Book. She's reading a book. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 children. They are listening to Sarah. They are. Substitution for 2 or more people. They. Pronunciation. They. Action. Are. They are listening. Pronunciation. Listen. Listen. Listen is the simple action. So with listen, the T is silent. Don't pronounce the T. Listen. Continuous listening. Listen. Listening. Listening. Listening, you need connector to. Always to. They are listening to Sarah. Listen to me. Let's practice. Who is she? I am Kevin. She is Sarah. I am a teacher. Is she a teacher? She is not a teacher. She's a librarian. Remember, she's a librarian. She's a librarian. Where is she? She's at the library. She's not at the store. She's not at the store. She's at the library. Doing. What is she doing? She's reading a book. One book for one, She's reading a book. She's reading a book. I am, you are, she is, and they are. What are they doing? They are listening to Sarah. They are listening to Sarah. Let's practice. Sarah is a librarian. She's at the library. She's reading a book. And they are listening to Sarah. Question. Is Sarah a teacher?
No, she's not.
Is Sarah a librarian?
Yes, she is a librarian.
Very good. Question. Is Sarah a teacher? Respond. Is Sarah a librarian? Respond. Very good. Is Sarah at the park?
No, she's not.
Very good. Where is she?
She's at the library.
Very good. Question. Is Sarah at the park? Respond. Question. Where is she? Respond. Very good. Is she fixing a car?
No, she's not fixing a car.
What is she doing?
She's reading a book.
Very good. Question. Is she fixing a car? Respond. Question. What is she doing? Respond. Very good. Question. What are they doing?
They are listening to Sarah.
Very good. Question. What are they doing? Respond. Very good. New vocabulary. Kids. K, I, kid. D, kid. One kid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kids. Sound. Kid. Z, kids. They are kids. I am not a kid. She is not a kid. They are kids. Similar, same, children. They are, together, their. Pronunciation, th, air, there. They're kids. They're happy. They're kids. They're happy. And they're quiet. Pronunciation, k, w, qu. I, quiet. Ye, quiet. E, quiet. T, quiet. They are, together, they're quiet. They're at the library. They're listening to Sarah. Let's practice. Kids. Question. Are they kids?
Yes, they're kids.
Question. Are they happy?
Yes, they're happy.
Question. Are they kids? Respond. Question. Are they happy? Respond. Very good. Quiet. Question. Are they quiet?
Yes, they're quiet.
Question. Where are they?
They're at the library.
Very good. Question. Are they quiet? Respond. Very good. Question. Where are they? Respond. Very good. Question. What are they doing?
They're listening to Sarah.
Very good. Question. What are they doing? Respond. Very good.